we have two awesome things. One, you know him, you love him. He's back again, Justin Searle from In Guardians. And the second part is he's got some really cool things to show off. We're going to do this organically. So as you've got ideas,
There is a huge value in using IT-based tools to do this, especially any of the IT-based tools that do security testing around TCP/IP, right? So those are wonderful tools. You want to use those different types of tools. Okay, we just have to be careful about where we're actually using those different types of those different types of tools inside of these environments, and what types of features we're actually using, and that's often going
to give you the last bit of time to whatever you want to do to close this out.
Hope you guys have a wonderful day. No, just honestly, keep the passion alive. There's so much out there. There's so much fun things to be able to work with. Right, feel free to ask questions, but